Hello and welcome to Math Easy. In this video, we'll be calculating the value for length of this wire XY. Okay, we are told from this question that this wire forms an arc which has a radius of 14 centimeter. This arc subtends an angle of 100 degrees at its center. We are to take pi to be 22/7. If you notice, this wire has formed three arcs. So we have the first arc, the second arc, and the third arc. So to calculate the length of this wire, we'll be applying this formula for calculating the length of an arc, which is theta all over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. Okay, to find the length of this XY, we'll be calculating the length of each of these arcs. And remember, we are going to be using same radius because each of the arc have same radius and they form an angle of 100 degrees. So let's apply this formula in finding the length of each arc. Given in the question, the radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Our angle is equal to 100 degrees. And we know our pi to be 22/7. Arc length formula is equal to theta all over 360 times 2 pi r. So we have the arc length as theta is 100 all over 360 times 2 times 22/7 times 14. We are going to simplify. So 7 we go into 14 two times. This 0 we cancel out. 2 we go into 10 5 times, into 36 18. 2 we go into 18 9 times. So we have 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 22 would give 220. If we divide, the arc length is equal to 24.44 centimeter to 2 decimal places. Remember that this length, the length XY, formed three arcs. So to find the full length, we are going to multiply 24.44 by 3. Therefore, the length of the wire XY is equal to 3 times 24.44, and this would give us 73.33 centimeter as the answer. If you find this helpful, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like this video, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.